If your network looks like a jungle, you're about to become its king. Wireshark is your go-to tool for network analysis on Kali Linux. It's like X-ray vision for your data packets. First, let's get it installed. Open your terminal and type sudo apt get install Wireshark. Simple as that. Now fire it up with Wireshark. You'll see a list of interfaces. Pick one, hit start, and watch the magic happen. Wireshark captures all traffic on the selected interface, displaying it in real time. Use filters like IPI header == 192.168.1.1 or TCP.port == 80 to 0 in on specific protocols. Pro tip, save your captured data with file, save as, for later analysis. Wireshark is perfect for troubleshooting network issues, analyzing security incidents, or just satisfying your inner geek. Need more tips and tricks? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Happy hacking. See you in the next video.